Now I have worked out the balance sheet for you. You have to work it on the same page. Balance sheet as on 30th September 1980. And the left side is called as the liability side. Draw two columns for amount and amount. And the right side is called as assets. And draw only one column because there is no adjustment. And there is no debit and credit for this balance sheet. Now we go to the liability side. First, always we take the capital account. Capital account is 1,55,000 which is given in your textbook. Okay. Then you have to add the net profit whatever we have calculated. So add, plus means add net profit 97,350. You check it up. Then the total will be 2,52,350. But that is not the actual capital amount where Mr. Sunil Gavaskar will get later. He has withdrawn some amount of goods for his personal use. That is called as drawings account. So subtract, minus sign is the subtract. For subtract we put minus sign. Drawings account. So 9,000 he has taken. Goods worth 9,000. So when you subtract it, you will get 2,43,350. So this is the actual capital what Mr. Gavaskar will be getting later. Okay. Now sundry creditors. See, when you see the trial balance, it is given as sundry debtors and sundry creditors. So the first debit column will be sundry debtors and the credit column will be sundry creditors. So sundry creditors is 10,500. Okay. And then bills payable. Sorry, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is 25,000. And then bills payable. So here also it's given bills receivable and bills payable. So bills receivable in the debit column will go to asset side and bills payable credit column will go to the liability side. So bills payable is 10,500. So that's all the entries on the liability side. Now we go to the asset side. Cash in hand is 750 rupees. Again it shows a debit balance, so write it on the asset side. Then cash at bank, again debit balance 22,700 assets. In case if it shows a credit balance, you have to write it on the liability side. Last problem we wrote cash bank balance on the liability side. Then freehold premises means the place where the business is carried on is 1,30,000. Then sundry debtors 48,000. Bills receivable 22,000. Furniture and fixtures 15,400. Closing stock 40,000. So always the last entry will be closing stock. Now when you add all the asset side and the liability side, it should tally. It should be the same. So one tip I will like to give you, when you add all the assets, okay, all the assets and subtract this bills payable and the sundry creditors, you will get 2,43,350. The capital fund you will get. You try that. Okay. So add all the assets and subtract the total of sundry creditors and bills payable. You will get the capital account, what Mr. Gavaskar will be getting at the future date. So this is how we prepare the final accounts. Hope you have all understood this. Thank you.